Today we're going to change the engine oil of this vehicle. As safety standard, always use axle stands and leave the hydraulic jack for added protection. Here I have already removed the splash shield. Here are the points to look at. Just remove the plastic clips and bolts to take the splash shield away. There you can see the oil filter and drain bolt. The good thing is, it can be easily accessed. Use a 70mm socket or wrench for the drain bolt. Next is the oil filter. Use an oil filter tool to loosen. It can be either a chain type or a socket type. Most of the time, oil filters are hard to loosen by hands, so having these tools will make your life easier and efficient. Opening the oil cap makes the oil flow faster. Once everything has been drained completely, wipe the area. Replace the washer gasket. This is an aluminum washer. They compress as you tighten it. You can also use copper washers too. This is the new oil filter. Take note of the code for your reference. Put some new oil into the gasket of the oil filter. Put the drain bolt back on with its new washer gasket. Install the new oil filter. Tighten it only by your hands. You only use an oil filter tool when removing it. Pull the dipstick and wipe it to clean it. Remove the oil cap and put a funnel. Pour in the fresh engine oil. Please refer to your owner's manual for the required engine oil to your engine. Put the cap back on. Pull the dipstick and check the fluid level. Remember that the oil level will decrease once you start the engine. It will start filling the oil filter and every areas of the engine. Turn the engine off and check the oil level whenever the engine is cold for accurate measurement. It's the best thing to do in the morning. Just put the oil level on the max level and you're good to go. The last thing to do is to put everything back together and call it a day. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.